in your pocket, man. Stop reaching. Stop reaching. Stop reaching.
Oh, I was trying to get
Last time I'm going to tell you, quit reaching for shit. Do you understand what I'm telling you?
Officer Russell stops Dexter Brown for a cracked windshield, a minor equipment violation, then immediately pivots to demanding permission to search the vehicle despite no evidence of any crime beyond the defective glass. Dexter's hesitant okay comes only after the officer badgers him, talks over his objections that the car belongs to his uncle, and sarcastically lists every imaginable illegal item. Courts have repeatedly held that consent is invalid when it is the product of prolonged or coercive questioning, rather than a free and voluntary choice. The officer later admits on camera that the real reason for the stop and search is the car's prior history with other drivers, confirming this was a classic pretextual stop used to fish for evidence against someone who had done nothing wrong.
Hey, how you doing, sir?
How you doing? Yes, sir.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Hey, Mr. Brown. Reason to stop you, man? It's cracked windshield.
Oh, it's
defective equipment. That one. You go ahead and confirm, see if they want to place a hold.
Straight.
13.
Straight.
storm fell the other day. We got them pictures. When the tree fell on there.
Storm fell on there?
Mm-hmm.
That's wild. Well, you gotta get it fixed before you drive out here. You have your ID with you?
Yes, sir, but my name is Dexter.
Your name?
I got
Your name's what?
Dexter.
Dexter. Okay. You got your notepad with you? Give her your name real quick.
Non-commercial status of hour, David 29.
So, what's your uncle's name? Okay. You still stay on Shiloh Road? I got you. Alright. Nothing illegal in here, right?
No, sir.
No firearms?
No, sir.
Anything else, like anything at all we need to be concerned about?
No, sir.
Would you mind if we check?
No, sir, but that ain't my fault.
What do you mean?
It's not my fault, sir.
Okay. Right, well, you're driving it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you mind if we check?
I mean, no, sir, it's my office fault.
You don't mind?
I said, it's my office fault. No, that's his fault. I told you before, it's my office.
Right. So, can we search the car is what I'm asking? Okay. So, but there's nothing illegal in the car? Nothing at all? No firearms, no grenades? Any marijuana? Crack cocaine? Heroin? Okay. Alright, cool. Do me a favor, hop out, step over there with my partner. Do you have any weapons or anything on your person?
Me?
Yeah.
No, sir.
Okay. Step out where, step back in front of my car. Alright. How about you, sir? You have anything on you need to be aware of? Okay. Cool. Do me a favor, hop on out for me. Turn to face the car when you get out. Stop reaching in your pocket, man.
No.
Stop reaching. Stop reaching. Stop reaching.
Oh, I was trying to get
Last time I'm going to tell you, quit reaching for shit.
Okay,
Do you understand what I'm telling you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll just reach for my phone, sir.
Stop reaching for anything.
Turn my hands up.
Well, I tell you to step out of the car, turn and face the vehicle, turn and face the vehicle.
Okay, all right. I'll just try to grab my phone, sir.
Look, man.
That's all I'll just try to get my phone in my
Okay, that's cool, man. Look, you're not under arrest, but that shit makes me super nervous, and I don't like it.
I understand that.
No need to be reaching when I tell you like 3 times, quit reaching.
No, yes, sir. I mean, I just trying to grab my phone. I make sure I got my phone on.
The reason you're being detained right now, one, is we haven't identified who you are, okay? You're reaching and doing all that good stuff. That's fine and dandy. If you're reaching for your phone, we'll sort all that out in a minute. When I figure out who you are, as long as you're not wanted or anything like that, I'll get these handcuffs right off of you and get you on your way. Okay, I'll get you on your way in just a minute, but don't do shit like that.
Can I get a name?
Hold up. Oh, it's locking up. Hold up. Oh, it's lit. Officer 67 inside. Feel, so it's my arm like this. Calm down. All right.
11-1-85.
Hey, can you let me turn my... Give me a second. Yeah, it's on.
Come on, can you repeat the last name?
Yeah, thank you. I said, my damn nut, it gets locking up when you do that. I've been trying to my neck. Damn nerve. Brother.
You mind if I search you?
Go ahead.
I go in your pockets?
Yes, sir.
So, man, the last thing I just asked you is if you had weapons on you and you start reaching toward your pockets and stuff, man. It makes me a little nervous.
I understand that. So look, I will make sure when I get out the car I have my phone. That's all I will.
I got you. I mean, that's cool, man. It's right here.
Come and check.
Gotcha. You good? Huh? No. No, did not. But we're waiting on a return on him, so. Alright. Relax for me until she gives me the information and return everything back, okay? The driver's sweating like a motherfucker though. No, it didn't. No, it didn't. What's wrapped up in this red fuel rag in here? Huh? There's nothing in it? Okay. Do you mind if I check and make sure? Because it looks like there's definitely something wrapped up in it. Okay. I appreciate it. Yeah, sure thing. From right there. Will you get a return? Good. No warrants, nothing. Okay. But man, Storm didn't do that. That damage been on this car for like the better part of a month. Okay. Your uncle, if he is actually your uncle, lets every swinging dick with a warrant, suspended license, no insurance, or other kind of issue or problem drive this car all around town. The car's been involved in like at least 3 aggravated assaults since I've been here. So every time it's out and it ain't Charles driving it, it's getting pulled over because it's rolling PC.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
I ain't know
So,
you said that.
I mean,
I ain't know that.
I'm not picking on you because I don't know you. I've never seen you, met you. But this car has been a constant and consistent pain in my ass. And it's not illegal to let somebody borrow your car. But everybody that borrows it does something illegal.
I'm going to stay out of it.
So,
And what's your name is?
I'm Russell.
Mr. Russell.
Yeah, so tell your uncle to quit letting shitheads borrow his car
Yes, sir.
and get it fixed. And then you can drive it in peace when family borrows his car at all. Okay, all right. Drive safe and make sure you buckle up.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yep.
Officer Richard Russell was terminated from the Thompson Police Department. After finding nothing illegal, Officer Russell lectures Dexter and reveals the true motive behind the encounter. The vehicle has been a constant and consistent pain in my life and is routinely driven by people with warrants or suspended licenses. The Supreme Court in Warren v. United States, 517 U.S. 806, 1996, permits pretextual traffic stops only if the officer has objective probable cause for the initial violation, but it does not authorize full vehicle searches without independent justification or valid consent. Russell openly states he pulls the car over every time it's out, regardless of who is driving, effectively punishing Dexter for his association with his uncle in the car's past, a policy that disproportionately targets black families and neighborhoods. By his own words, Russell is not enforcing the law impartially. He is engaging in collective punishment and harassment under color of authority, turning a minor equipment ticket into a humiliating fishing expedition solely because of who Dexter knows and what he drives. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video. Click to watch now.